Good morning, students, and welcome to your English class. I hope you all are great and doing well at your places. And as you all know, this is our English class, and we are going to start with yet another topic of English grammar, that is usage of has to, have to, and had to. We all know that has, have, and had, they have a very significant place when it comes to language. If they are not placed in a correct manner at a correct place, they are completely going to change the meaning that what we want to express. So it has a kind of very important place. So see, whenever we are bound to do a work, we always have to use has to, have to, and had to express what we are going to say, because these three words, they have a kind of external pressure which gives a defined meaning to the things. So it comes to has to and have to firstly. So see, has to का use हम करते हैं कहाँ पे? When we have third person singular subjects, that is he, she, it, one person or a thing we can say. कभी भी जब हमारे पास third person singular subjects होते हैं, we always use he, she, it and other one person or things. And when we are going to talk about have to, other rest any kind of subjects you have उसके साथ में आप have to को use करते हैं. Along with this, the second thing that you have to keep in your mind is has to या have to के बाद में you are going to use the first form of the verb. Okay. इसको जब आप यूज करोगे तो प्रेजेंट टाइम के लिए यूज करोगे, दैट इज हैज टू एंड हैव टू आर यूज फॉर प्रेजेंट टेंसेस. So he has to get up at 5 a.m. to reach school in time. So see, यहाँ पे he आ रहा है, he singular है, third person है, along with that we used has to because it's talking about present. And you can see get जो इसमें आ रहा है, it's the first form that is used just after has to. When we move to had to क्या है? Had to is a past. जब भी आप कोई वर्क जो past का कर रहे हो उसको express करना चाहते हो तो you have to use had to. Had to के बाद में you are going to use the first form of the verb and all kinds of subjects जो होते हैं उनके साथ में आप इसी का ही use करते हो, that is had to. Okay, तो all kinds of subjects you are going to use had to का proper use करोगे उसके साथ में. And any kind of subject, does not matter it's first person, second person, third person, singulars, plurals, it can be anything, but कोई भी subject हो, बस the thing is talking about past, you are going to use had to. But after had to, similarly like has to and have to, यहाँ पे भी आप first form of verb का ही use करोगे. Like I had to study hard for best marks. So you can see यहाँ पे I है, had to है and had to, that is आपको study hard करना पड़ेगा for best marks. So you are talking of past. Now see, fill in the blanks using had to, have to and has to. ये एक exercise है, we'll quickly do it. I dash to reach early these days. I have to reach early these days. She has to go by bus nowadays. अब तूने क्या करना है? She has to go by a bus nowadays, present. I had to meet her last week. Last week is past, so I had to. Patients dash take medicines to be well. Patients have to take medicines to be well. So this is present. Policeman has to control traffic daily. Daily, that is the thing is going to be done on regular basis. So has to. Yesterday I had to pay fine. Yesterday, that is past. So had to. A bird has to fly here and there for water. Bird को क्या करना है? Has to fly. That is present. Predators have to kill others for food. Predators को क्या करना है? They have to kill others for food. That is ये regular basis पे करेंगे. So it's have to. Last month the doctors had to strike for their safety. Last month doctors को क्या करना पड़ा? They had to strike for their safety. So they had to last month past. We have to eat to live. हमें जीना है तो खाना पड़ेगा. And this work on regular basis we have to do. So that is why we have used have to. So this way you can see very beautiful topic. और ये समझने के बाद में आप we are never going to mistake while using have to, has to and had to. Quickly remember has to and have to for present tenses, had to for past. दोनों के बाद में verb की first form. Difference is has to के साथ में you are going to have the subject as a third person singular and have to के साथ rest of the subjects. And had to के साथ does not matter it's first person, it's second person or it's third person, any kind of subject, simply use had to when the thing is of past. So I hope you understand it well. Now just go through this topic and try to solve some exercises, and if there are any doubts I I'm here. You can ask me anytime, and together we are going to solve the doubts and make the topic perfect for you. Okay, so this is all. So now we'll be meeting in our next class. Till then, take care of yourself and keep studying.